Today, I'm going to be providing you with a brief demonstration on how you can add the Gradebook to the Canvas Learning Management System. Now, let's get started. First, we're going to travel over here to Courses, and we're going to click on it. From there, we are going to do our Publish course, so we'll select it. And then from the Admin toolbar, we are going to select Grades. We want to do this option first, that way we can set up all the parameters of our gradebook. So first I'm going to come over here to select a section, and I'm going to pick the course that I want to add the gradebook to. And then I have the option of choosing how I want to sort my assignments. I like this position and group, so I'm going to keep it that way. And then I want to verify that I do have the view ungraded assignments as 0. And I also want to come down here and verify that the students can see their point total on their page. So I'm going to go ahead and let's go add some assignments. Once we get on the assignments page, we're going to come over here next to assignment and we're going to hit the plus sign. And from here, we are going to give our assignment a name. So we're going to say weekly discussion. And then we can give it a due date. And we can put a point value on it. We want to hit save and publish versus save, so that way when we save and publish, it'll be open and you can see the green check that verifies that it was saved. Now we're going to go over here to modules and we're going to add our assignments to each week. So we can do that by adding the plus sign. When it comes open, we'll hit weekly discussion, and then all we have to do is hit the add item. Now I'll go ahead and I'll add a few more. Again, we go to weekly discussion and we go to add item. We'll hit weekly discussion and then we'll hit add item. Now that we have our assignments and our modules set up together, we can go in and we can grade these assignments. The first way that we can do this is by going into assignments. And you see that weekly discussion has been is up here, so we're going to select it. And then I can come over here and I can hit speed grader. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that. And from here, it allows me to be able to give each student a grade. And as you can see, their name is up here. So I'm going to give that, and then I'm going to tell them, that they're awesome if they, did something awesome. I also have the option of adding a file, a video, or a audio comment. When I'm finished, I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. If I make a mistake, that's okay. I can come right up here and I can select the pen and I can edit. Now, I've already graded this student, so I'm going to go ahead and select the over button, and I can again hit in the amount, tell them how awesome they are. Okay, and then I can hit submit. Now that I've done that, I'm going to show you another way that we can add grades to the gradebook. So this does open in a new window, so I'm going to go ahead and close this window. And I'm going to come over here to grades. Now when we come in here, it's going to give us the gradebook individual view. That is totally okay. We can come over here to the gradebook drop down and we'll select the little drop down and we'll select gradebook. From here, it shows you that I graded these two students in the speed grader. But I can also come over here and I can select their name next to their name, and then I can give them a point value. And that is how you add grades to the gradebook in Canvas. Thank you for joining me.